So here's how to download Wireshark on your Windows 10. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Chrome browser, and after that here you have to simply search for the Wireshark download. Then at this page you have to simply scroll down until you see the option of the file hippo, or you see the website file hippo. Now you have to simply click on the file hippo link to download the Wireshark on your Windows. Moving on, here at this page you will be able to view these options. You have to click on the download latest version for Windows option to download it. Once you click on it, now it will start to download on your laptop device. Once it is downloaded, now you have to click on the download icon at the top of your browser. Now click on the open to open this file. Now as you can see, it will ask you permission to install the app onto your device. Now at this pop-up window, you have to simply follow all of the prompts and click on the accept option. Once you click on the accept option, now as you can see, it has been started to download and install on your laptop. Moving on, you have to wait for the process until it's completed. After that, your installation will be completed. So that's how to install Wireshark on your Windows 10.